Alright guys, so we got the bike last week and now we got to get ready to be able to do some videos, and I'm missing some things because when we got rid of our bikes I swore I was never going to ride again. So things like my stand is gone. I had to get a battery tender. I'll show you that in a little bit. I need a service manual, and the bike is so new because they came out in March that after calling around, nobody has a service manual out yet. So I've got to special order it. I tried to do the PDF thing where you can buy it online from Harley. They don't even offer it in that version yet. So we're here to order a service manual and get a battery tender. So Margaret's looking at the Softail Deluxe. Now she's getting that missing her bike feeling, but I don't think that
not enough to go buy one.
Well, there you go then. Yeah. Isn't that the truth? The bike is just the beginning. All right, Harbor Freight's next. I got to get a stand, a bike jack. I used to use Craftsman. Sears are all out of business in our area, so I can't get a Craftsman anymore. We're going to see what Harbor Freight's got. A couple jacks. Actually, this aluminum is real nice. It's 200 bucks. Oh, they got this one on sale. They're both on sale. Both 1,500 pounds. So it'll work for Street Glide. Just got to decide which one I want. We lowered both jacks. As you can see, this one goes down about an inch lower than this. One of the things that we're going to do on the new Street Glide is I am going to lower it. I'm at least going to lower the rear. So I need a jack that's low. I know when Margaret had her Softail, it was lowered in the rear, and we would have problems where the jack was too high. So I had to build a wood like ramp, and we have to roll the bike up onto the wood, the rear tire, and then while balancing the bike, we'd have to push the jack under it while it teetered on that piece of wood. But I'm hoping that this is quite a bit, that's actually quite a bit lower, maybe even 2 inches, that this will be low enough to just go down naturally, so we can just push it underneath the bike. The other thing is these come off, so you can have so you can use the bottom part or the top part. I guess probably like if you have a sport bike or something, you know, this would get you closer to the bottom of the bike before having to jack it up. So this will work with more motorcycles than this style here. All right, so I got a bag. I always kept a tool bag just like this with some basic tools and like quart of oil. So I need that. And then Margaret wanted me to get, it's actually pretty cool, little emergency light thing, flashlight. If you're out at night, broken down, there you go. People can see you. All right, guys, so we went with the aluminum one. A little more, but it's nicer. So I got the new battery tender hooked up. You can see it's glowing red. It's blinking or flashing red. It's dead. That battery's almost dead. They usually come straight from the dealership like that new. I remember working at Fort Worth Harley that we would have to pull a big battery charging system out, lay it out on the floor, and string battery chargers out to the bikes every few days. But so that's to be expected. But it's hooked up, and let that run for a couple days and it'll be fine, because it's only 1 amp tender, so it's not going to charge very fast. But yeah, that's one of the things that I had gotten rid of before was our battery tenders, along with all the other stuff that we talked about in this video. So just remember, if you decide never to ride again like we supposedly did, don't sell your stuff, because even when you decide that you may never ride again, you're probably going to ride again.